Hello everyone, this is Steve, and wanted to go over with you today how to install Linux onto your system. The reason why I have this computer here and it's the sides are off is from what I've seen there's a number of different ways you can install Linux. For what I like to do, since I want to get off Windows, is I bought a new hard drive. My Windows and everything Windows is on this hard drive. I'm going to put Linux on this hard drive. That way, this file system on this hard drive will be completely Linux, which is different from the file system on my Windows hard drive. And after I get Linux installed onto this hard drive, we'll be able to pull whatever data we need off of the old hard drive onto the new hard drive. You can pick up a hard drive. This is a 800 gigabyte hard drive. You can pick up this hard drive off of pricewatch.com, and I'm not promoting that website. It's just, in my opinion, the cheapest place to find computer parts. About 35 bucks. That's not much of an investment. Linux is free, by the way, so you won't be spending any money on an operating system at all. Another way you can do it is you can install Linux onto the same drive as your Windows is. The thing about that is it just it separates the free space in your drive, makes a partition for Linux, and you have a partition for your Windows. It's hard to recover the Windows portion of it if you decide to completely erase Windows. So I like to start out new and fresh, because that's what we're doing with Linux, and put a new hard drive into the computer so that we can completely eliminate Windows on this hard drive. Some of you are probably wondering, what about all those Windows programs that I need to run my life with that are locked up on the Windows drive? I'm not only going to show you how you can use your programs, your Windows programs in Linux, I'm going to show you programs that are better than the Windows programs to run your life. But if you're scared, I'm also going to show you a way to boot back into Windows if you need to. I'm also going to show you a way to put Windows inside of a window in Linux, in case there's a program that you just have to have. Okay, first thing we have to do is we have to go to the Ubuntu website. This is where we're going to download the Ubuntu version of Linux. Right on the front page it says download Ubuntu. We click on that, and you're going to select your location. Mine is United States. Then hit begin download. I like to save the file right to my desktop. Okay. And then it'll take a little bit to download, and we're going to burn that to a CD, and we'll put that on the new Linux computer that we've got here, set up here. It's a new computer for my kids, but wanted to show everyone how to put Linux on it. And also I did a video series on how to build a computer. This is the one that we built, and you can view those on my main channel. Okay, we're waiting for that to download. While we're doing that, I'm just going to take a short break. Okay, when the file is finished downloading, you want to burn the image to a disk. So you want to use a burning software to burn not the file, but the image file to the disk. And we have the disk right here. And we're going to go ahead and boot up the new computer here. And if we're lucky, it will boot. Looks like we're booted. Okay. Now insert the disk into the drive and reboot. And the screen should come up to choose a language. There we go. Choose English. And now you can actually try Ubuntu without installing it onto your computer. You can boot it straight from the disk. But in this installation, since we want to get rid of Windows, we're going to install this onto our computer. So I've highlighted install. Alright, the main screen is starting to come up. And this is easy, guys. And this is a slam dunk to do. Really simple. If any of you have any questions about doing this, I'll be glad to help anyone. Just leave me a comment or send me a message and I'll be glad to help you with this. Now, we're waiting for the screen to come up. I'm going to go ahead and pause it for a second. Alright, now it's going to ask you for your language again. Should English. And your time zone. And the mountain time zone.